The Ultimate Guide, How to Become a Virtual Assistant. Welcome to The Ultimate Guide, How to Become a Virtual Assistant. In this comprehensive course, we will explore the world of virtual assistants and equip you with the necessary knowledge and skills to establish a successful career in this rapidly growing field. Whether you are looking to work from home, start your own virtual assistant business, or gain flexibility in your professional life, this course will provide you with the tools to excel as a virtual assistant. Module 1. Introduction to Virtual Assistants. 1.1 Understanding Virtual Assistants. Defining virtual assistants and its role in today's digital landscape. Exploring the history and evolution of virtual assistants. Differentiating between virtual assistants and traditional administrative roles. 1.2 The evolution of virtual assistants. Discussing the emergence of virtual assistants as a remote work option. Examining the factors driving the growth of the virtual assistants industry. Identifying the advantages of virtual assistants for businesses and individuals. 1.3 Exploring the role and responsibilities of a virtual assistant. Defining the core responsibilities of a virtual assistant. Discussing the diverse range of tasks and services offered by virtual assistants. Understanding the importance of adaptability and flexibility in the role. 1.4 Benefits and challenges of becoming a virtual assistant. Highlighting the advantages of pursuing a career as a virtual assistant. Addressing common challenges and obstacles faced by virtual assistants. Providing strategies for overcoming challenges and maximizing benefits. 1.5 Skills and qualities of a successful virtual assistant. Identifying the key skills required to excel as a virtual assistant. Discussing the importance of effective communication, organization, and time management. Exploring additional qualities such as adaptability, professionalism, and problem-solving abilities. Module 2. Setting up your virtual assistant business. 2.1 Defining your niche and target market. Understanding the concept of a niche and its importance in positioning your business. Conducting market research to identify target clients and industries. Developing a unique value proposition to differentiate yourself in the market. 2.2 Building your brand and unique selling proposition. Creating a compelling brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Crafting a unique selling proposition that highlights your strengths and benefits. Designing a professional logo, website, and marketing materials. 2.3 Creating a business plan for your virtual assistant business. Outlining the key components of a comprehensive business plan. Setting realistic goals and defining strategies to achieve them. Identifying potential risks and developing contingency plans. 2.4 Setting up your home office. Creating an efficient and productive workspace within your home. Selecting essential office equipment, furniture, and technology. Implementing effective organization and storage systems. 2.5 Legal and financial considerations. Understanding the legal requirements and regulations for virtual assistant businesses. Registering your business and obtaining necessary licenses or permits. Setting up financial systems, including invoicing, bookkeeping, and tax considerations. Module 3. Essential tools and technologies for virtual assistants. 3.1 Communication and collaboration tools. Exploring popular communication tools such as email, chat apps, and video conferencing platforms. Leveraging project management and team collaboration tools for seamless workflow. Maximizing the use of virtual phone systems and customer relationship management (CRM) software. 3.2 Time and project management tools. Identifying effective time management techniques for virtual assistants. Utilizing productivity tools, calendars, and task management apps to stay organized. Implementing project management tools to track and prioritize tasks. 3.3 File sharing and document management tools. Choosing secure file sharing platforms for efficient document exchange with clients. Implementing cloud storage solutions to access files from anywhere. Utilizing document management systems for version control and document collaboration. 3.4 Virtual meeting and webinar platforms. Exploring virtual meeting platforms for client consultations and team collaboration. Utilizing webinar platforms to deliver online training sessions and workshops. Optimizing the use of screen sharing and recording features for effective communication. 3.5 Automation and productivity tools. Streamlining repetitive tasks with automation tools and software. Leveraging time-saving apps for email management, social media scheduling, and data entry. Enhancing productivity with note-taking, password management, and project tracking tools. Module 4. Finding clients and marketing your services. 4.1 Identifying your ideal client. Defining your target client profile based on industry, size, and specific needs. Conducting market research and competitor analysis to identify potential clients. Understanding client pain points and tailoring your services to meet their requirements. 4.2 Creating an effective marketing strategy. Developing a comprehensive marketing plan to reach your target audience. Utilizing digital marketing channels such as social media, content marketing, and SEO. Implementing offline marketing strategies including networking, referrals, and industry events. 4.3 Building your online presence. Creating a professional website that showcases your services and expertise. Optimizing your online profiles and utilizing professional networking platforms. Establishing thought leadership through blogging, guest posting, and podcasting. 4.4 Networking and building professional relationships. Building a strong professional network through industry events, online communities, and forums. Utilizing social media platforms for networking and building relationships with potential clients. Implementing effective communication strategies to nurture client relationships and secure referrals. 4.5 Creating compelling proposals and contracts. Developing persuasive proposals that highlight your expertise and address client needs. Setting clear expectations through well-defined contracts and service agreements. Including pricing structures, payment terms, and confidentiality clauses in contracts. Module 5. Mastering virtual assistant skills. 5.1 Effective communication and professionalism. Developing strong written and verbal communication skills for client interactions. Understanding professional etiquette and maintaining a high level of professionalism. Overcoming language and cultural barriers in virtual communication. 5.2 Time management and prioritization. Applying effective time management techniques to meet deadlines and client expectations. Prioritizing tasks based on urgency, importance, and client requirements. Implementing strategies to avoid procrastination and increase productivity. 5.3 Organization and task management. Developing organizational systems to manage client files, documents, and tasks. Utilizing task management tools and techniques to stay organized and focused. Implementing efficient workflow systems for seamless task execution. 5.4 Research and information gathering. Conducting thorough research to gather accurate and relevant information for client projects. Utilizing online resources, databases, and credible sources for research purposes. Analyzing and summarizing information in a concise and meaningful way. 5.5 Problem solving and decision making. Applying critical thinking skills to solve problems and overcome obstacles. Utilizing a systematic approach to decision-making based on client objectives. Developing creative solutions and adapting to changing client needs. Module 6. Managing client projects and delivering results. 6.1 Understanding client needs and expectations. Conducting thorough client consultations to understand their specific requirements. Asking relevant questions to clarify expectations and deliver customized solutions. Building strong client relationships through effective communication and active listening. 6.2 Project planning and scope management. Creating detailed project plans outlining tasks, timelines, and milestones. Setting clear project scope and managing client expectations. Identifying and addressing potential project risks and challenges. 6.3 Effective task delegation and follow-up. Delegating tasks efficiently to maximize productivity and leverage team members' strengths. Establishing clear communication channels for task assignments and updates. Following up on assigned tasks to ensure timely completion and quality standards. 6.4 Quality assurance and client satisfaction. Implementing quality control measures to ensure deliverables meet client expectations. Conducting thorough reviews and revisions before final submission. Seeking client feedback and addressing any concerns promptly to ensure satisfaction. 6.5 Client relationship management. Establishing a client-centric approach by prioritizing relationship building and client retention. Regularly communicating with clients to understand their evolving needs. Going above and beyond to exceed client expectations and foster long-term partnerships. Module 7. Advanced virtual assistant strategies. 7.1 Scaling your virtual assistant business. Developing strategies to expand your virtual assistant business and take on more clients. Outsourcing tasks to capable freelancers or hiring a virtual assistant team. Setting up systems to handle increased workload and maintain service quality. 7.2 Creating multiple streams of income. Identifying additional services or products to offer alongside virtual assistants. Exploring opportunities for affiliate marketing, online courses, or digital product creation. Diversifying income sources to enhance financial stability and growth potential. 7.3 Outsourcing and building a virtual team. Evaluating when and how to outsource tasks to other professionals. Defining clear roles and responsibilities for team members. Establishing effective communication channels and collaboration tools for remote teamwork. 7.4 Diversifying your services. Assessing market demands and expanding service offerings to cater to diverse client needs. Developing specialized skills or expertise in specific niches to differentiate yourself. Continuously updating your skill set to stay competitive in the industry. 7.5 Continuous learning and professional development. Recognizing the importance of ongoing learning and staying up to date with industry trends. Engaging in professional development opportunities, such as webinars, workshops, and conferences. Joining virtual assistant communities to network, share knowledge, and gain insights from peers.